Building muscle is a science. It is a process that requires a clear plan. Your journey begins with a simple, achievable goal. Let us aim to gain 5 pounds of muscle in the next 12 weeks. This is a realistic target for a beginner. It provides a clear metric for success. Forget complex routines or celebrity workouts for now. Focus on fundamentals that drive hypertrophy. Our focus is on the principles that stimulate muscle growth. This initial goal is your North Star. It will guide your efforts in the gym and in the kitchen. Every decision should align with this objective. The most effective foundation is compound exercises. Think squat, deadlift, bench press, and overhead press. They are efficient and drive a big hormonal response. Isolation has its place, but most effort goes to multi-joint lifts. Squats hit quads, hamstrings, glutes, your core, and lower back. They teach your body to work as a unit and build real-world strength. Systemic stress signals your body to grow across your frame. Prioritize these movements for the biggest return on time. Let's outline a simple routine. Train 3 non-consecutive days. Each workout is full body. Squats, bench press, barbell rows. 3 sets of 8 to 10. Quality execution and consistency beat variety. The single most important principle is progressive overload. To grow, you must challenge muscles beyond current capacity. Add small weight increases or push extra reps or sets. When 12 is comfortable, increase load and keep progressing. Training is stimulus, nutrition is raw material. No bricks, no house. Gain muscle in a modest caloric surplus. Aim about 1.6 to 2.2 g-kg of protein per day. That is roughly 178-176 grams for 80 kg, spread across 4 or 5 meals. Monday, squats, bench press, barbell rows. Wednesday, deadlifts 3x5, overhead press, pull-ups, or lat pull-downs. Friday, repeat Monday and add a little weight or a rep. Warm-up, 5-10 minutes light cardio, dynamic stretches, then 1 to 2 light sets. Growth happens at rest, primarily during 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Recovery repairs fibers stronger than before. Avoid ego lifting and poor form. They risk injury and blunt progress. Do not program hop. Stick to a plan for 8 to 12 weeks. Track exercises, weight, sets, reps. Your log proves progressive overload. Weigh yourself 2 to 3 times weekly under consistent conditions. Creatine monohydrate works. 3 to 5 grams daily, helps strengthen power. Protein powders are convenient, not superior. Most other supplements add little. Weeks 1 to 4, master form. 5 to 8, progress weekly. 9 to 12, keep pushing. Reevaluate calories. Increase slightly if progress stalls. Train hard with compounds. Apply progressive overload. Eat enough protein and calories. Rest. Be consistent. Ignore the noise. Trust the process. Start today. Plan your workout. Prep your meal. And begin.